This stunning all-one-level property features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is an open floor plan from the front door through the main living spaces and has 9 feet smooth ceilings. It also has crown molding in all main living areas. Cathedral ceilings and natural light flow in the living room space. The kitchen features storm-glazed cabinets, white quartz countertops and a large island. In the den, you will find a gas fireplace and windows on each side. There is a large walk-in pantry and stainless steel appliances. The dining room features French doors to the covered back porch. Down a private hallway you will find the 18 by 16 master bedroom suite, complete with walk-in closet. The master bathroom offers graphite cabinets, double sinks with white sparkling quartz, soaking tub, separate ceramic tile shower, linen closet and private water closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are spacious and offer a hall bath nearby. There is a covered entry with double columns, dormers and cement plank siding. There are sidewalks and streetlights throughout this neighborhood. A neighborhood covered pavilion is available for entertaining and enjoyment. Located just off Harriett Circle near the east/west Parkway in the Midway.